Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete old bulk message, messages in bulk in Android phone or mobile. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my Android phone. So let's go on my Android screen. So guys, I'm here on my Android phone. So let me open the Gmail application to show you. So guys, in Gmail application, you can see there is no option to delete in bulk. You can delete one by one. Just you know select the any email and hold it for 1 second, so it will be select. Okay, just select and hold it for 1 second. So once you hold, it will be select. Like click and hold for 1 second, it will be select like this. Okay, now if you want to delete, just click on delete, it will be delete. So now it will be move to trash. Go to this option, go to the trash folder, and here you will find the all email. Now you can delete from here. But if you want to delete bulk in mobile only, so you can use the one trick. Go to the Chrome browser. Okay, so I will show you how you can go and use Chrome browser and click go to the Google and log in with your Gmail account. Now click on this three dot option and switch to desktop site. Then your mobile view will be like this, like computer, and then just come to the Gmail, click on Gmail. Maybe your Gmail application will be open directly. For that you have to go in Gmail setting, application setting, and deny to open app. Okay, so now here, now you have to find the older message like mail. Go to the search and type here older than, older colon, sorry, underscore, then colon, and 1 year. For 1 year you have to click Y. For 1 month you have to click M, and 1 day you have to click enter the D. So I just type 6 months because I don't have mail older than 1 month, 1 year. So now I just zoom it to show how what I type. You can see older than, older underscore than, colon 6 month. Now just click on search. So you will find all mail older than 6 months like this. Now just select by clicking this checkbox. Now all email will be select. Now we click on this link because there only 50 mail has been selected. If you want to select all mails uh, uh, on every page, so select all, click on it. So here you can see all email has been selected. Now you can just delete from here, or after that deletion, just come this side and just go to the trash, and you will find all deleted your emails here. And from here you have to delete again because it will be moved here. So here you will see option called clear trash or empty trash, and you can easily delete from here, or you can select same as and delete from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.